Close. Stop. Stop.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
Ow! Kona. Oh shit.
Kona! Oh my god.
He's a real Mexican.
So I was talking to Anthony. Spider! Spider! Spider!
Oh my goodness, you alright?
We're gonna try it again. Okay, Peanut. Come here. No,
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?